Time is 10:02. I do hear some sirens running away for this one to start. And it's on a tripod. I'm just wanting to tape on. There's also some kids outside too. It's about 10:04 with 40 seconds. The sun has not been activated yet. That was a very short test, less than 30 seconds. The winding down you hear is a 2001 130 that Lombard may put up right in front of a high school. All signs are starting to wind down. Thunderbolt's still winding down. This is filmed at Westmore Elementary. This is just 1 out of 5 Thunderbolts around here. Three of these Thunderbolts are located on top of schools. 2 Thunderbolts are located on poles, one on 355 and another one by the fire station. 2 of them so far, what I do know, that are single tone. This is a dual tone one. I believe there may be another dual tone Thunderbolt, maybe a Pleasant Prairie, but I'm not really sure because I never heard of it. Oh, thanks for watching. Also fun to watch kids scream away too. There were some earlier on that part of the neighborhood, now they're gone.